To our channel. Today we are covering TOGAF Foundation. To find the complete list of questions and answers, please go to the playlist link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe to our channel. Today's questions are: in which phase of the ADM cycle do building blocks become implementation specific? Option A, phase A. Option B, phase B. Option C, phase C. Option D, phase D. And option E, phase E. The correct answer is option E. Next question is, according to TOGAF, which of the following best describes the purpose of the architecture definition document? Option A, to act as a deliverable container for artifacts created during a project. Option B, to ensure that architecture information is communicated to the right stakeholders at the right time. Option C, to govern the architecture throughout its implementation process. Option D, to provide a high-level view of the end architecture product. And option E, to show progression of change from the baseline architecture to the target architecture. The correct answer is option A. Next question is, which of the following best describes the TOGAF architecture governance framework? Option A, an approach to ensure the effectiveness of an organization's architectures. Option B, an architecture of building blocks and corresponding standards together with associated graphics. Option C, an example set of architecture principles. Option D, a reference model that includes information provider applications and brokering applications. And option E, a model intended to assist with the release management of the TOGAF standard itself. The correct answer is option A. Next question is, complete the sentence. The enterprise continuum provides method for classifying architecture artifacts as they evolve from. Option A, foundation architectures to reusable architecture assets. Option B, generic architectures to organization specific architectures. Option C, generic solutions to industry models. Option D, generic architectures to reusable solution building blocks. And option E, solutions architectures to solution building blocks. The correct answer is option B. Next question is, which of the following describes an objective of phase F migration planning phase? Option A, develop a target technology architecture. Option B, consolidate the gap analysis results from phases B through D. Option C, generate and gain consensus on an initial architecture roadmap. Option D, coordinate the implementation and migration plan with other frameworks. And option E, operate the governance framework and manage an architecture contract. The correct answer is option D. Next question is, complete the sentence. TOGAF covers the development of 4 architecture domains: applications, business, data, and option A, capability. Option B, segment. Option C, technology. Option D, transition. And option E, vision. The correct answer is option C. Next question is, which of the following best describes a purpose of the gap analysis technique? Option A, to catch errors in a project architecture early. Option B, to guide decision making throughout the enterprise. Option C, to help identify and understand business requirements. Option D, to highlight shortfalls between the baseline and target architectures. And option E, to mitigate risk when implementing an architecture project. The correct answer is option D. Next question is, according to the TOGAF standard, which of the following define general rules and guidelines for the use of resources across the enterprise? Option A, functional requirements. Option B, stakeholder concerns. Option C, architecture principles. Option D, business scenarios. And option E, procurement policies. The correct answer is option C. Next question is, which ADM phase include obtaining approval for the statement of architecture work? Option A, preliminary phase. Option B, phase A, architecture vision. Option C, phase D, technology architecture. Option D, phase F, migration planning. And option E, phase G, implementation governance. The correct answer is option B. Next question is, which sections of the TOGAF template for architecture principles should highlight the requirements for carrying out the principle? Option A, implications. Option B, name. Option C, rationale. And option D, statement. The correct answer is option A. Thank you.